Revivers. So I want to just show you this. Hey, my revivers. I don't know if that part got in, but I want to just show you this very quick Thanksgiving haul. I told you we are not doing meat, but I'm going to be doing macaroni and cheese dressing. I have some celery for my dressing, and I'm going to be doing collards and deviled eggs, yams, and so dressing, mac, deviled eggs, collards. Something is missing. Something is missing. I can't remember what else. Rolls, but it's something else. So dressing, mac, collard, jams, deviled eggs, and some rolls. I think that's it. Oh, pecan pies and sweet potato pies. That is what we're having. So hubby went to Aldi's to get all this stuff. And yeah, we have the rolls. I love these brown and serve rolls. So we have those. A loaf of bread because we need that just for the house, period. Some cheese. Now, Aldi has changed their cheese back, which is a good thing. My husband got the wrong cheese. Oh man. Well, anyways, cream cheese, cheese for the macaroni and cheese. I wasn't using their cheese to cook as much because it was tasting kind of weird, but it went back to tasting how it used to. I don't know what's up with that, but yeah, some Aldi's cheese for the macaroni and cheese, some brown sugar. I'm going to need that for the pies and stuff. Some whipped cream. I'm going to need this for the pies and also for the eggnog that I just prepared that I put in the refrigerator. We have some hash browns. We love those. 2 things of eggs, some sour cream for some of my baking. And we have 4 bags of, I guess he got these from Aldi's. I'm not sure. I think so. 4 bags of collards. I still clean them, wash them, and do my own thing. I don't care. Triple wash. I don't care if it says washed 100 times. I'm still washing on myself. The celery is for my dressing and some ginger ale and a box of elbows. See? Very quick and small, not overdoing it. It's no need to do that. It's 4 of us, and even if it wasn't, I still wouldn't be overdoing, you know, some of the things. So yeah, this is my mini haul. Y'all know I had a couple hauls before this, so I was getting things slowly but surely because I got my sweet potatoes and other things that I already needed that are already put away. But this was stuff that I realized I needed last minute. So yeah, that's my mini haul. Hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys later, gators.